almost Christmas, I'm going to go over the new Part C today that we did in class. That way you guys can practice along to what we did new, and I'm going to be barefoot because I don't want to ruin my wood floors. Alright, so here we go. Part C, we changed it, so we're not going to do a traditional bomber-shay, we're modifying it. And for those that aren't able to go to our class, this class is for more experienced people, so ages 45 plus. So a lot of the things we will modify because knee replacements, hip replacements are require different modifications for that. So you are welcome to join us and tap along with us as we do modified things. But yeah, so Part C, we changed it, so I'm going to show you it from the back. And I'm just going to show you and then we'll go through it. We're going to go right step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step. And then we're going to re-step on the left foot. Now go step, spank, dig, and step. So that's what it looks like, and the timing is like a bomber-shay, so it's a traditional bomber-shay looks like step, spank, dig, step, spank, dig, step. So we're going to have that same timing but with our new modifications, and one of my students today told me that my shirt matches my tree. And I'm like, yes, hello. I blend in. Okay, anyways, so we're going to have that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 timing. So we're going to go nice and slow, starting on our right foot. Right spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step. Left step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step. Now, we do it just once in the routine like that on each side, but we're going to do it 4 times right now just to get that feeling into our body. So we're going to go 5, 6, ready, go. Right spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step, step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step, repeat, step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step, step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step, again, step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step, step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step, step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step, step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step. I don't know if that was 4, but just a quick help for this. When you're doing the ending, so you've gone spank, step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step. Don't fully transfer your foot, like your weight over your foot, because you're still going to do another step, right? So we have our dig, spank, dig, step, and now you have to pick it up, and now you're going to transfer your weight so you can do your spank. All right, so that this first step, we leave our weight over our right foot, and then we transfer our weight over the left foot to get ready. And as we transfer our weight, we're going to pick up our heel, our toes to go near our shin. Here, I'll turn so you can see it better. That way we're ready to spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step. Don't transfer. Now you transfer, pick up your foot, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step. So that reviews that step for you guys. And then after that, we're going to do the and brush step as we prepare to go into time steps. So we're going to step on our right on an and then we're going to pick up our other foot. We get a lot of this action in this routine, so we're really working out our shins and we're stretching our calves while we're doing this routine. It's good for us. So we're going to go and lift, brush, toe dig, be doing 4 of those. So let's do that, all of part C together, right? So we're only doing that first part twice, once on each side, and then we're going to do 4 of the and brush, step, and brush, step, and brush, step, and brush, step. And this prepares us to go now into our modified time step, which we will do in part D. And then part D, I'll have us go from the brush steps to part D just to practice. Okay, so let's do part C all together. We're gonna step on our right foot first. And just to remind you of that rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1. What is it? Step, brush, dig, 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 step. And 1, 2, no. And 1, 2, and 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. There we go, yes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay, starting on our right foot. 5, 6, ready, go. Step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step. Step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step, and brush, step, and brush, step, and brush, step, and brush, step. So that's what part C looks like. We're going to redo that right now. Okay. 5, 6, ready, go. Right, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step. Step, spank, dig, dig, spank, dig, step, and brush, step, and brush, step, and brush, step, and brush, step. And by step, I just mean toe dig, but just easier for me to say that. But that is our new part C. Sorry, my video is here and you are here. That's our new part C. I'm going to go make a new part D, and you can dance along to that. And then ideally, I'm going to figure out how I can either get into the studio or just on my porch again so that you can actually hear the tapping sounds of the whole routine along with it, and not just my feet kind of banging on the floor. Okay, yay!